Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to say HireBridge started their hiring for entry-level engineer all over India. We can see the qualification. The link is provided in the description. Currently pursuing BE, BTech, MSc student from OOPS knowledge with excellent communication skill and database algorithm and software skill is must. You should be written and verbal communication should be there. Good knowledge in table, product, and queries, etc. Proficiency in source code control. The benefit to ability to learn leading technologies, industry standards and technical and flexible work arrangement with 2 days in office, health insurance fixed 2.5 hours of work in a day, and RBDMS, APS, Insta field and stories they are providing. This is from HireBridge MRI software from the HireBridge company. Their description, how many years they are conducting this company, running successfully, everything they mention. You just want to click here, apply and start apply with that company website itself with your resume. After getting shortlisted, you may come for an interview. So this is what the MRI software from entry level engineer for fresher. So if you have any doubt while applying the form, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.